onions. Hello.
That's because it is onions. Hello, my fellow composers, and welcome to the Composing Cook.
Or the drama.
And the drama of the Composing Cook. In my pan here, I've got 1 tablespoon of oil and a knob of butter. I'm just cooking off 1 onion with 2 cloves of garlic. So as you can see, this is all in preparation for my corned beef hash recipe. This is stage 1. Okay, so you can see how the onions and the garlic have cooked down nice and soft. Garlic is starting to brown a little bit, which is fine. What I have here is 500 grams boiled potatoes. I've cut them into little cubes like so, little chunks with the skin on. Boiled them for about 5 minutes. You want to just be able to put a knife in it.
Or a fork.
You just want to be able to put a fork in it, alright? Right, so that's done. And with those potatoes, they've been drained. Throw them in. With the onion. Here's my corned beef, which came in
a tin.
And this is a 340 gram tin corned beef, okay, they're standard size. As you can see, I've chopped it up roughly. The whole thing's going to break up anyway, but just for ease, I've chopped it up, and that's going to go in as well. What we have to do with this, okay, you need to leave it. You want things to catch. You want to create almost like a crusty bottom, and then obviously we're going to turn it around and create more crust. So let's just leave this like this for the moment. My fellow composers, if you're enjoying my videos and you don't want to miss any future ones, just click the subscribe button. Just here. Click it.
I think you find it's actually down there.
Is it there, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Click it there. That's it. Click it. Well done.
They haven't done it, Michael.
Well, they may have done it, you never know. And like, and hit that bell notification button. Ping! Right, that's done.
Drama.
Exactly. Let's flip it over. You can see how all the corned beef is beginning to mash down now. While it's cooking, I need to add some salt,
seasoning,
pepper, and some hot sauce. Any hot sauce you like, Tabasco sauce is fine. Just a few
drops,
like so. I will leave it up to you to decide how much you put in, okay? That's down to you. Give it a stir. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I'm actually going to mash down a lot of the potatoes now. All of them. So you can see now how it's starting to catch. You're getting nice little crusty burnt bits. Perfect, that's what you're looking for. Also, by all means, if you need to add any more butter or oil as it's cooking, that's not a problem at all. Just add another butter or some oil. All right, now I'm going to add a handful of parsley to this. I'm going to mix that in. That is looking good. This is ready to go, but no, we're going to take it to the next level. Cheese, 80 grams extra mature cheddar cheese. Take the cheese, sprinkle it on top, and this goes under the grill. Hot grill, just make sure your frying pan is able to go under the grill. We're going to cook that until the cheese melts. Take it all in. So there you have it. My corned beef hash. This is perfect when it's cold outside. Good, comforting food. All you need to go with this is a fried egg and some baked beans. So make it, enjoy it, and you will love it. Mwah!